Okay, today we're going to get the to change my catalytic converter, on my car, and to be able to do that, I'm gonna need this machine to warm up the this machine that has this feature over here connected like that to loosen up the bolts, the bolts that are over here, like this, like that. Also, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna have to take this off. This gotta come off. This gotta come off, so I could feed the machine inside there, so the machine could do the job. So just put it like that, leave it over there, then over here, put it in here. Now the machine is going to be able to slide right in like that, to go right in like that. There we go. And hook up into those bolts right there. So right down, this goes right here like this. Like that. And then this one goes like this on the other side. Now it's all connected, and ready to go right here with this, like that. It warm up the bolt, and so I'll be able to take it out like that. So these bolts over here, I gotta loosen them up so I could slide my machine inside there. And this probably I could probably leave those alone. I'm gonna go under the car and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, I start to unbolt one of these bolts over here. Now we continue by going under the car to where I took those bolts over there, and then take this one, and then take this one out right here. There's not much light over here, so I'll just go with what I got. Yeah, we got it out. We got it out right there. So that stays hanging like that, and then we take this one out too. So I'll come back when this one gets out. Next we got this one right here to take off. This goes like this. So we got it. Came out. So now we got this loose. I'll take it off from back there. I'll show you when. So this is out. It goes right there. This is how big it is. All this gets all up. So this is gonna come out, and it's gonna go away when I replace it with it. So this is the new exhaust, the new exhaust system. So to be able to take this pipe, this muffler off from there to here, I got it cut over here somewhere, right behind that part over there, and the whole thing will come right out. And after I do the cut, I'll be able to. After I do the cut over here, I'll be able to connect it. Okay, here we're trying to put this first part of the catalytic converter going up. So you put the gaskets on like this. Like that. Now we put this bolt on it to secure it. On to make sure it stays on. So right now, like that. And we put the other bolt on because I cannot see my camera. I can't see my camera, so I'm hoping that it shows that it's going in, that everything is going in the right way. And it seems like it's going the right way. Yeah, so this is the back part of the pipe of my exhaust of my catalytic converter. It goes connected right there. So all I'm doing right now is doing the prep by cleaning this part over here, because that's where this is going to go connected. Right there. This one is going to go connected right there. So it should stay like that, connected like that. Okay, I'll be right back. Connect this one and this one together. We got this bolt right here, like that. It goes right on it, like that. And this goes inside here, like this, and this goes like that on it, like that. With this bolt right here. Not with this bolt right here, right there. And then we got the other one that goes connected onto it too. Goes connected onto it too. On this side. On this side right here. Right here, like that. Yes. Like that. With the bolt too. And we'll put the bolt on it too also. Just enough to hold it. I had to get a ratchet because that socket won't fit down that side. So. There we go. And there it is. And the catalytic converter and the pipe is done. Subscribe, make comments, give it a like, share it, enjoy it. Have a nice day.